What's going on, fam? Here is a quick tip for you guys. Get to know your product. Here's what I mean. Let's go right into the computer. All right, so let's say you wanted to sell a plant basket, right? Let's say you've run your Chrome extension, you've already done your product research. You can see that the average seller here is making some pretty good money, right? For example, this guy over here is doing 29,000 selling this particular product. Over here, they're doing 5,000. Let's see, this one's doing 6,000, this one's doing 57,000, 16,000, right? And you're like, okay, well, I see a lot of people making money, okay, but I want to get into this, and I want to also sell a plant basket. But Dave told me that it's not a good idea to sell the exact same thing as somebody else, right? I need to find a way to differentiate myself and add value, but I don't know how to make a plant basket better. Well, the first thing that you want to do is you actually want to buy your competitor's product, right? So say, for example, you wanted to sell a plant basket like this guy right here. You actually want to buy their product, have them ship it over to your house, and then see what you can improve on, right? Maybe use the product, right, and see maybe the ropes are no good, right? Or maybe you can make it a color, right? Or maybe it'll look better a certain different way. It actually helps if you actually have the physical product in hand, and then you can test it out and see what you can improve on, right? Another way on how you can find ways to improve is actually go to the reviews, right? Go to the 1-star reviews and see what people don't like about this, right? It came in all folded up in a bag. I thought it was overpriced for receiving a basket that is sent all folded, right? The product is served darker brown with photo shows it came smashed. So again, once you read these negative reviews, you are going to find a pattern in what people don't like about the product. So a lot of them are saying that the product came folded and it came obviously because the way it ships, right? So maybe you can talk to the supplier and find a way to package this product so it doesn't come like that, all right? Or maybe you can add instructions on how to take the dent out of the particular product, right? To make things life easier for them, right? So again, it says flimsy, not what I expected, right? Very cheaply made. So you can obviously talk to the supplier and say, hey, listen, I want to make mine a better quality rope just to make it a better quality, right? Now, another way how you can add value is go to the 5-star reviews and look at the pictures of the product, right? See what the customers have actually posted with this product, and find things that you can add with your particular product, right? For example, here's an idea. You could add a stand with your plant basket, right? As the more pictures that you look through this, right, the more ideas you're going to get, and you're seeing what other products people are using the product with, right, from actual customers. And if you can find an item that you can add to your product, right, that doesn't cost you too much money. Again, look, this person has a stand on it, right? So if you can find a way to add value to your product, okay, without adding too much cost. And say, for example, you come in here and you sell your plant basket and you add maybe a bundle that goes well together with it, right? And you sell it for around the same price. Why would someone not buy your product if you're selling it with a bundle that adds value, right? People are already planning on buying for the product and you're selling it for the same price. Obviously, people are going to buy it because they're getting more bang for the buck. And that right there, guys, is a quick tip for you. Again, any questions you have, just drop them on the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next.